Oh, hey. Hey! What's up, you guys? My name is Delilah. If you don't know already, I'm a freelance makeup artist when I'm not working my regular job. My channel is mainly on beauty, but we do like to have a little fun over here. In today's video, I am tired of full glam. I'm done packing on full coverage foundation, packing on concealer, baking powder. I'm fucking tired of it. We're gonna go softer. It's still gonna be a full face, but we're gonna go softer. I just had a birthday. I'm getting older. And I just don't have enough time anymore, okay? When I was younger, I had all the time in the world to do my makeup for hours and hours and hours. But I have shit to do. This is gonna include regular steps, like how you would do a full face of makeup, but we're gonna go softer. We're not gonna apply as much powder. I've been noticing the 2022 trends have changed. It's a lot more natural, but with a twist. So the skin is very natural, soft and glowy, but the eyes are dramatic but soft at the same time. The first step, I would say, if you don't have one already, I would say you really need a skin regimen. Go to your nearest Sephora, go to your nearest Ulta, go to your nearest Target if you're on a budget, but I really do recommend that you go get a skin regimen. You don't have to get these products. They are on the pricey side, but just know that I do work for a beauty store. Most of the time I get discounts or I get them gifted to me. Make sure you have a cleanser. I already cleansed my face. At the moment, I am using my Origins Frothy Face Wash. The next step, I use a toner. You can get a toner for your concern. So this one I'm using is the Tatcha The Texture Tonic. I'm using this one because I do experience little tiny bumps, breakouts, unevenness. So this is perfect for me. It's nice and gentle. It has niacinamide, AHAs, and it has calming Japanese mugwort extract. You definitely need a serum. I feel like once you hit 25 and up, even a little younger, you can get away with it. You should definitely invest in a serum. Serums and eye creams are one of the most expensive things that you can get when it comes to your skincare. At the moment, I'm using the Biossance Squalene Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. I noticed some differences in my face. I am noticing a little bit of wrinkles, a little bit of lines. I'm using this one right now and I absolutely love it. I've seen a difference. You have to be consistent with it. It gives you instant hydration. It plumps the skin, it firms the skin. To lock everything in, I like to use a moisturizer. So this moisturizer is no joke. This is a huge investment because this moisturizer is $100. If you want to try something like this, I will recommend getting the small one. Very mini baby size is $25. So this is anti-aging. It's amazing for fine lines and wrinkles. It's amazing for dryness, to plump the skin. It's a primer at the same time. This is a moisturizer and a primer. So if you buy this, you're saving money on a primer. It's a nice, rich, thick consistency. The fact that I can use it and I have combination skin is not making me break out. I love this so much. This will change your whole makeup step, and this just makes you look good. It gives you the ultimate glow. I freaking love it. Another thing that I would say that's very important that a lot of people don't get is eye cream. I didn't have an eye cream on hand right now, so I just used my moisturizer under my eye. If you have really bad eye concerns, that's when I really recommend an eye cream. But just make sure you're moisturizing under your eye. Now that your skin prep is done, god damn it, I'll be right back. We're gonna go in with our setting spray. Instead of using any additional primer, we're gonna use our moisturizer and our setting spray as primer. I like to apply a generous amount of this, and I love the smell. It smells so good, so fresh. Instead of foundation today, I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filters. I freaking love these. Like, these are due for the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless filters. I love the Charlotte Tilbury ones, but like I said and I talk about in my videos, I just can't stand the smell. I'm gonna mix these two. I'm using number 5 and number 6. So this isn't really a foundation, it's a liquid highlight. It's very sheer. Think of it as like a very glowy moisturizer. Okay, oh yeah, and then when it comes to products like this that are sheer, I like to use a brush instead of my beauty blender because it's gonna give me a little extra coverage. Now we're gonna move on to concealers. I'm using my KVD concealers in 169 and 152. I'm using my KVD Good Apple Foundation in Deep 80. We're gonna move on and use a cream blush. I'm using my Rose Ink Azelia blush. I freaking love this blush. I get so many compliments every time I wear it. So you're probably thinking, why can't we just leave it like this and move on, no powder? So, oh, there's something in my eye. When it comes to certain people, certain skin types, everybody's skin type is different. If you have oily skin, you can't, I'm sorry. If you have oily skin, you can't just leave it like this, because by the end of the day or in the middle of the day, you're gonna look like a disco ball. Like, you're gonna be super shiny, and you'll probably rub your face and your whole entire makeup is gonna come off. I have combination skin, so I do get oily in the T-zone. If you have dry skin, you can leave it just like this and you're lucky. If you have combination skin, you're gonna have to tweak it a little bit. So I've mixed these two highlighters together and I'm obsessed. This is the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops, and this is the Merit Highlighting Balm. I literally just go in with the balm. I take a little bit of my Cover FX and I just swish it around in my hand, and that's all you have to do. Just mix the products together. You're gonna get a beautiful dewy look, but you're still gonna have color. It looks wet, but there's a color there now. Now take your brush, not your beauty puff, not your beauty blender. You're gonna take your brush. You're gonna dip it in translucent powder. And you're gonna set the under eye. I'm gonna go off camera, do my brows. That's one thing that I haven't changed, that I still do the same, are my brows. I love my high arched brows. Oh, we're gonna move on to the eyes. Oh my God, yo. I'm gonna go in with my Hindash palette and Feel. Now I'm gonna go in with my Monochromance palette. I got this for my birthday. My boyfriend got it for me. We're gonna use Match. We're gonna go into Match, and a little bit of Alter, and just pack the lid on with those two colors. I'm just gonna run this. And I'm using my Danessa Myricks Color Fix. I'm gonna do this to the other eye, and then we're gonna move on to mascara and lashes. If you're gonna go like for a nice soft look, think about it like this. You don't have to do your makeup exactly like me. This isn't considered the it soft makeup look. Like, this is just my version, you know. You can customize it and alter it the way you want it. If you don't want to do shadow and just want to put on a big fluffy lash because you love the the mink individual lash look, do that, because sometimes I do that when I want my eyes to look nice and smoky and voluminous. But lately, and I did this for my birthday too, I think, I did an eyeshadow look, but I didn't put on a full lash. So I bought these kiss lashes, and what I do, I just cut them in little pieces and I put them in the outer corner, but I make sure that I use a really good mascara. So if you are gonna go in with this type of look where you don't want a full lash, just make sure you get a mascara that's really gonna give you length, that's really gonna give you volume. My most favorite mascara is the Rare Beauty one, but I don't want to use her too much because I don't want her to finish. So I'm gonna go in with my second favorite at the moment. This is the Urban Decay Wild Lash, and I love the way this mascara makes my lashes look. It's waterproof as well, but I feel like it's pretty easy to come off. So see, like, the eyes are pretty dramatic, but they're soft at the same time. And it's like, if I would have done this makeup look the way that I used to do my makeup, this cut crease would have been a whole lot harsher, a lot darker. My face would have been super matte, packed on with makeup. I'm over that look now, honestly. I can't anymore. I'm gonna add these on last. If you guys want a tutorial on it, just let me know. But I'm gonna move on to lips actually, and then I'm gonna go off camera and put on the lashes and we're done. So for lips, I'm going to use the same eye pencil, my Hindash, because I really love the color on this. So I'm going to try it out as a lip liner. This is my Charlotte Tilbury Walk of Shame lipstick. And I don't really apply it on, I just dab it to give me a sheer tint of color, because I still want my lips to like show through. I'm gonna apply this. I think I want to put a little bit of just like a little bit of primer or concealer to neutralize it a little bit. Also, because I watched the terrible new Marilyn Monroe movie, I've been putting a cute little birthmark on my face. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until I do more research on Marilyn Monroe because that movie was a joke. I'm gonna add, ooh, this shit is so pretty. I'm gonna add a little bit of this pinky color from NARS and just put that in the center. I'm gonna take a little bit of gloss because I don't want my lips to be super duper shiny. I'm gonna take my Fenty Skin Cherry Treat lip oil. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. Like, I still feel very like full face, but soft, very soft. So like always, I will leave everything, all products down below in the description box. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.